Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another SmashDat production where you can't feel the throttle unless you smash that bottle. We got another one for you today. Man, whenever you're sad, don't boo-hoo. Sit back, relax, and smash the Yoohoo. Yoohoo! Yoohoo! Now this one I'm not looking forward to because this looks like that water that usually comes about after some delicious Taco Bell. Maybe some Taco Bell, some Golden Corral. This water, man, this is pretty much just chocolate water, that whey protein. Looks like a protein shake. And by the way, you guys probably should not do it with a bottle that's been used about 30 times doing these SmashDats. Kind of want to try to get a newer one eventually because these things are so thin, you never know. You fill it up, and the next time you do the squish, it's already getting like bent up, and next thing you know, there's a hole in there, and now I got all this chocolate goo all over my stomach. So who knows? But anyways, here we go. Chocolate Yoohoo. Yoohoo! But what up gonna do? Yoohoo! But what up gonna do? 3, 2, 1, go. Nothing but chocolate syrup.